Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to make a sign scrolling like this. Hi, I am Aditya. Like that. First, you need command blocks. To get that, wait, let me stop this. Slash give space command block. You need some of them, but you need to get the signs. First sign, then the second sign. I did it backwards. Then it will come this, not this. Yeah, this. Then this will come. Then this will come. Then this will come. Was there two? No. This one is down. This one is up. Like that you need it. Let me make another one. Another one right here. Hi, I am Aditya. Hi, I am Aditya. Wait, let's put this. Yeah, the second line. Hi. Now, the third line will be wait. Hi. Now, the third line. Hi. No. I am Aditya. Aditya. Then the last one. No. No. What just happened? I just pressed. Now let's do this. I am wait. No. I am. You can do any line you want. But it needs to be like it is scrolling. First, hi, I am Aditya. Hi, I am Aditya. Breathe down. Then Aditya. Hi, I am. Then I am Aditya. Then I. Hi. Now, then again. No, you don't need to write this. Yeah, these four are the lines. First start with this. I am Aditya. I am Aditya. Aditya, hi, I am Aditya. Hi. Then it will loop again. Let me show you how it works. Wait, I need redstone. It's a bit laggy when I'm recording it. And it isn't when I am not. And here it is, 11. Can I jump here? Let's try. Nope. I just fall. Let me see you what I did. On and do this. It will loop again and again. Then this sign will loop like that. The scrolling. And if I break it, it will do it again. That's why it is your time. Now, to do this, you need the coordinates. First, you need to put a sign where you want to display it all. Let's do this here. Don't write anything. Then the first selected. What is it? Slash clone this. And enter. But you need to write it in the command block. Slash up arrow. Tab. And then shift and right arrow, left arrow. Copy it all. Now go. You need to make it like this. I need some repeaters. Let's make the line right here. We will not write anything for now. Wait, I have to place this backward. It needs to go. Let's place. Wait, no. Here. How much it will be? There are 4, 1 command block, 2, 3, 4. I don't need that one. Now, let's fill in the commands. Control V. Now this is the command. It will do it. Then the second command will wait. Let me put the command blocks. Like that. The second command will be this. Phi 2 will be phi 3. Same with this, and those will be the same. Do it. Here phi 4. And the last one, phi 5. And place redstone here. No, here, not that one. Here, and make this here, facing that way, not full. It just, yeah. Now redstone all the way. like that. You need to make it one more, just like that. Now you need a lever. Now wait. Did it work? Why is it all lighting up? There isn't any source of power. Let's break this. Now it's all gone. Let me try a button. Why is it? Oh, it is directly coming here. That is why. You need to put this to full text. My game is lagging. You can do it. Yeah. Now let's try.
అది నీ టవల్ నాన్న నాకు టవల్ కావాలి నాది కావాలి
It was not working because I need to put a repeater here and it just no ticks. You need to put another here because it doesn't match sometimes. Just put this to 4 ticks, 2 ticks, and 3. Now let's do it. It should work. Is it working? Yup. Now, if you see this, it is scrolling like that. And you could type something like that. Like here, it is written A, then here AD, then here ADIT, ADI, then here ADIT, then here ADITY, then again ADITYA. Like that, you can go infinitely. Let's run both of them. Yup. This is scrolling. And this too. Like that. It is scrolling upwards and this is scrolling downwards. And if you want to scroll it upwards, then do like this. This. You can nothing. It is easy, very easy, as you can see. But you cannot do it in survival. I have an idea. Let's dye them. Let's dye them. There are 4. Then 4 colors. I think this will be the yeah, now it will come there. This, and this. Now, see how beautiful it looks. Now let's see if I can color this. It cannot color it because it is always changing repeatedly. That's why. Now thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.